First, we'll open the trunk. Notice right at the top there is that screw that we're supposed to take out, and I'll be using a Phillips screwdriver to take that screw outwards. There we got the first screw taken out. This is where we took out the first screw, and a little bottom is the second screw that we are supposed to take out. Again, we'll be using the same Phillips screwdriver to take that screw outwards. Second screw is also out. Now we'll grab the tail light from the top and the bottom and then slightly pull it outwards. You may have to carefully pull out the tail light from the top and the bottom until the complete tail light is popped out. And there you see the tail light is pulled out. Once the tail light is taken out, right there is the plug for turn signal. All we have to do is just grab the plug and then turn it counterclockwise. Then pull the plug outwards. There it is. That is how we take out the plug along with the bulb. Now suppose you want to take out the bulb from here. All we have to do is just grab the bulb and then pull it outwards. There it is. That is how we take out the bulb. In my case, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, it doesn't matter if it's this way or the other way around. Both ways are perfectly fine. All we have to do is just punch in the bulb inside and then press it to a point until we hear a clicking sound. There it is, the bulb is completely in. Now we'll go ahead and punch it back where we took it out from. We make sure the plug is completely in first. Once the plug is completely in, only then we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. There it is, we did turn it clockwise and the plug is also not coming out anymore. With that, we are done with the replacement of turn signal bulb. Now we will go ahead and install the tail light back. Notice the top part of the tail light, which is this. It has two pointers. There's one pointer right here and the other pointer is right there. So these two pointers are supposed to go into these two spots right there. And then on the edge of the tail light, notice there's that spot right here. This has to be slided in that bracket right there. We'll go ahead and punch in the bracket side first. There it is, we got the bracket part completely in place. Now we'll punch in both of those pointers from the top side. And just like that, both pointers are also completely in. Now we will just give a slight push to the tail light from the top and the bottom so that it is completely installed. Seems like all good. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the screws. We'll punch in the top screw first, which is right here. Also tighten the screw with a Phillips screwdriver. We make sure we do not over tighten the screw because sometimes the tabs of the tail light are broken because of over tightening them. That screw is in, we are not going to over tighten, just leaving it to that point. Now we'll install the bottom screw, which is right there. There's the bottom screw also completely in. With that, we are done with the replacement of turn signal bulb. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Phillips screwdriver is the only tool used for this takeout.